Manufacturing is evolving, with immersive reality driving greater efficiency. Today, join Hicham, a robotics expert at Dassault Systems, as we step inside an automotive BIW factory where every stage, from design to validation, was developed within the 3DEXPERIENCE platform. Let's see how VR transforms how teams collaborate, validate, and optimize production. In this first scenario, we enter a fully simulated BIW assembly line. Designed in CATIA and programmed, simulated, and validated in DELMIA, this virtual factory allows teams to assess every process before physical implementation. Using VR controllers, engineers can navigate the shop floor, take precise measurements, and interact with the environment in real time. By animating the robot's movements using DELMIA's programming, engineers can identify layout issues and immediately discuss potential solutions. With VR, factory layouts become dynamic, enabling engineers to reposition workstations and adjust structural elements. Operators can experience human pitch in virtual reality, practicing their movements and actions before entering the physical factory. By simulating realistic environments and tasks, they gain hands-on experience and familiarize themselves with the industrial processes, all within a safe, immersive training space. VR excels in testing emergency scenarios. Here, we stop the production line to simulate an urgent situation. Engineers and operators can practice interventions in real time, ensuring they're prepared for unforeseen challenges. Operator safety is a priority. VR lets engineers simulate human movements in real-world tasks, such as overhead welding or heavy part lifting. By replicating reachability and strain, potential ergonomic risks are identified early, helping to reduce workplace injuries. Teams gain spatial awareness and collaborative agility that flat screens simply cannot replicate. From faster validation to fewer physical trials, immersive technology is transforming factory operations. Want to accelerate your industrialization process? Explore the power of VR with 3DEXPERIENCE.